Let's make a kinetic typography effect in PowerPoint. Delete the default text boxes from your slide. Now go to the Design tab and choose a background that matches your style. Next, go to Insert Text Box and type your first word or phrase. Format it with a bold font and adjust the size for maximum impact. Now duplicate the text box and replace the text with your next word. Place both text boxes in the center of the slide. Select the first text box and go to the Animation tab. Choose Fly In. Click Effect option and set the direction from left. Set the duration 1 second. Now select the second text box. Apply the float in animation. To make the animation play automatically, select both text box and set after previous. Now press F5 to preview. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more PowerPoint animation tricks.